2 हफ्ते में फंक्शन है, आपका टॉयलेट भी रेडी नहीं है, क्लास वर्क भी रेडी नहीं है, कहते नहीं सर हो जाएगा। एंड देन एक्चुअली हमारे टाइम तक सब हो गया था।
यार चलो गुड, नहीं तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाती
Yeah.
है।
उनका किसी का साई सन गया था, किसी की माता की चौकी थी, जब हम गए थे तो कहते हैं ना, हमें लगा कि इट्स ओके बट आपका कॉकटेल है तो ऑफ कोर्स हम कर देंगे। थैंक गॉड
नहीं तो मैंने मतलब आई सीन मतलब व्हाटएवर यू डू टिल द एंड डे, मतलब आई थिंक द ब्राइड एंड द ग्रूम हैव दिस स्ट्रेस ओनली, यार सब लग जाएगा, ये जाएगा वो जाएगा। मैंने किसी का सुना नहीं है कि जो बहुत आराम से पीसफुली गया हो।
बट आई फील एवरीथिंग अ स्मॉल डिनर एट होम आल्सो।
हाँ, आज भी तो अब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि अच्छा कौन आएगा, मेरे माइंड में नहीं चल रहा है कैसा जाएगा बेबी शावर, यू नो कैसा होता है, हम गेम्स कैसे खिलाएंगे, मुझे कुछ यू नो लाइक सो मेनी थॉट्स इन योर माइंड।
Pies are actually very nice. I've done this after very long. And these are my favorite kind of pies. I always do this on myself.
Really?
Yeah, always.
No, actually, like your looks,
Yeah.
yeah. Other you also got done from somewhere.
No.
Nice, man.
Yeah, imagine like hypothetically, if I would have gotten it done, would you ever be confident in getting makeup done from me?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, like because I've done it once from you,
Yes,
na? So
maybe.
maybe, हाँ.
Yeah.
Because even on my Roka, everybody really liked my makeup.
Yeah.
Yeah, मैंने pictures में दिखाई नहीं ना, उसके बाद हम मिले ही नहीं.
Yeah.
अब होता रहेगा, मुझे पता लगेगा ना गुड़गांव में.
Actually, it's just like I stay like 5 minutes away from the Gurdwara, phase 1 Gurdwara.
मैंने बताया ना उस दिन अभी वो गया है ना जिसमें वो आए थे भाई रविंदर सिंह जी, उसमें आई वाज देयर। इट वाज आई थिंक गुरु तेग बहादुर जी का या गुरु
Yeah.
अर्जुन देव जी का, किसी का था गुरुपुरब, एंड उसमें आए थे। सो अरे लव तो मन में नहीं मतलब बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट रियली नो ना कि
Yeah, I got married here. Yes.
सो हाउ यू लाइकिंग गुड़गांव?
I've always liked Gurgaon actually. My best friend stays here. My sister got married here. So the thing,
Where does your sister stay?
phase 2.
Oh, okay. So we also have our cousins. Plus, I am into Kitty. Well, how the ladies are in phase 2?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So my sister stays in phase 2. Now she shifted to Bangalore. Last 3 weeks ago.
Oh,
For work.
अच्छा.
With her husband. So then, and then my best friend shifted here in 2019.
Where?
Phase 1 only.
अच्छा.
So because of her, I used to keep coming, and COVID was like 2 weeks here and 2 weeks she used to be there.
Oh.
So I still have my doormat and my this hair color person in Gurgaon since 2019.
Who's the hair color person?
Nikhil Sharma.
Is good?
Yeah,
I'm
very
gonna
good.
get it after my pregnancy. Yeah, I'm waiting.
Honestly, like he charges so much, but then I just feel it's worth it because I get once a year. उसके
How
बाद
much
I
does he charge?
It depends. Like for me, sometimes it's 20, 25. But
Mm.
this much now, I've realized everyone has reached this
Even
stage.
Rashid is charging this much only.
Yeah.
Huh?
All these people are
Yeah,
charging.
charging this
Yeah,
much, huh?
Sunny. anyways.
Sunny, so you don't get an appointment only for him. It's
I
very
don't like
difficult.
it.
But I like Rashid's work. Rashid's work is good, but even his, I think he's too pricey. I think now because of the celebrities and stuff.
But I also feel like, maybe. But Nikhil was after Sunny. It was Nikhil for me, and I never liked Sunny.
Nikhil, where does he stay?
Phase 1 only.
Okay.
Arjun Marg.
Oh.
शॉपिंग मॉल जहाँ पे नॉर्मल बाजार है,
हाँ.
उसी के पीछे मॉल बाजार की बैक साइड।
नंबर नहीं मेरे पास. हाँ. क्या कहते हैं? I don't like Gurgaon. Oh God. I never used to come to Gurgaon. So the first time I came was with Angan only. Yeah. And अगर मैं ज़्यादा आई भी होंगी would be just to the cyber. I had no idea this phase 1, phase 2, all of this. I had no idea.
Oh God.
So now when I'm living here, I don't sound any.
You know every South Delhi person says this. my cousin who had married, वो गुरुद्वारे से 1 minute दूर रहती है.
फेमस है?
Yeah, Faisal गुरुद्वारे से 1 minute walking
हाँ.
है उसका. So now she's like, I want to go back to my South Delhi. What the hell is this? This is so bad. I'm like,
Amrit could not convince me 2 years to. See, I'll tell you why. Because see, we in South Delhi there are markets like GK, Lajpat. You know Lajpat, like you want house things. You know
Yeah.
there's a market. जहाँ मुझे कुछ समझ ही नहीं आता मैं घर की चीज़ें कहाँ से जाती हूँ. I just always go to the mall. And I
hey,
Hi.
बहुत सारी चीज़ें. Depends what type of things you want.
But you know you don't have a market like GK. अब there's one market here, Road Galleria.
Hmm.
It's an overhyped market.
Yeah.
मुझे तो पसंद ही नहीं है.
Honestly, this problem I also had. I couldn't find my nice tailor यार.
हाँ तो मेरे तो टेलर अभी भी मैं दिल्ली जाती हूँ. और if I want क्या कहते हैं like good out मतलब जैसे मुझे यहीं पे outside जो lane you cross यहाँ मिली है which I think she's doing good job. Yeah. उसके अलावा there's no tailor, there's nothing here. मतलब मुझे तो गुस्सा चल जाता है. You know?
I miss my Rajouri market.
Exactly.
Nagar market.
Rajouri हो गया. You know these markets where you even if you don't want to go like buy, you can
Yeah.
just go for a stall.
Yeah.
अब यहाँ पे क्या है मॉल चले जाओ 10 लोग और मिल जाते हैं आपको.
Yeah, here is only mall on Galleria. But you should come to Kutub then if you want stuff.
And then क्या कहते हैं कुतुब is the market.
Kutub Plaza. जो गुरुद्वारा वाला फेज है उसके ऑपोजिट वाले में.
हाँ हाँ पर वो तो खाने पीने का ही है.
उसमें बहुत चीज़ें हैं. Depends what all you want. A lot of good dry cleaners are there actually.
तो मैं फालन वाला तो dry cleaning business.
Yeah.
If you want to get dry cleaning.
Yes, there is this.
So in White Tiger, so he also does home like he pick it up from home and deliver.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so this is getting friendly.
That's actually good. मेरा तो सबसे बड़ा dry cleaner और टेलर का.
You let me know. I'll tell Dad only.
Yeah. आपका next time. Those heavy outfits ना especially. Everyday
Yeah.
वाला doesn't matter actually.
The heavy
I'm scared
ones.
for the heavy ones only.
Yeah, I give it to him only, like a steam press and everything. I get it from him only. So मेरा तो अभी भी 1 से 3 से तक दिल्ली लगता ही लगता है. My tailor is there. मतलब I have to go to GK. कुछ GK से काम आ जाता है. Things like that.
That's true.
And I had to get like maternity wear.
Yeah.
I could not find anything except for the malls. I was like, यार, I mean, you know, you just don't want to go to the mall. So I went to GK.
Yeah.
वो उसमें इतने कॉर्ड से अच्छा इतना कुछ मिल गया वहाँ पर ही मुझे.
The comfort is very important.
Exactly.
I don't understand how our body stayed after like the bump.
Same.
You talk to this tailor, you get this done. She's like, why don't you find one there?
I
As in
also
you.
say, I said I can't find. It's so hectic.